Hi, welcome back to our channel Saha Computer Education Center. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create drop-down list with the help of data validation. There are various ways to create a drop-down list. We will learn few of them listed here. Number 1, simple drop-down list with text. Number 2, static drop-down list with name range. Number 3, dynamic drop-down list with name range. Number 4, dynamic drop-down list with table. Number 5, dependent drop-down list. Number 6, searchable drop-down list. Number 7, real-time searchable drop-down list. So let's begin the tutorial. So we can see here a sheet where employee database is shown. In this database, there are few columns, and out of that, department designations, gender and status are completely blank. So we have to fill these columns. So if I click on the department on the first cell, then we can see here a information appeared, that is select a department from the list, and a arrow is shown here. If I click the arrow, we can see the list of departments, and if we select any department, then the value is entered in the cell. Then in the next cell, if I enter any other value which is not listed in the drop down list, then what happens? Suppose I type R and D, then press enter. We can see a warning message appeared. You have input invalid data. Continue, yes, no, and cancel. If you click yes, then this value will be accepted in the cell. If you press no, then it will not be accepted, neither it will be deleted. It will be in edit mode. And if you press cancel, then this value will be deleted. First press yes. You can see this value is accepted, but this is not in the list. In the third case, if I type here H and R, then press enter and click no, then you can see it is not deleted, not accepted, it is in the edit mode. Press enter again. If I click cancel, you can see this data is deleted. Then if I select here, then in the same way we got the information, select a designation from the list. So here we have different designation. I select CEO, it is accepted. Now here, if we type any other value which is not in the list, then what happens? Sales person. You can see an error message appeared, wrong input, please select a designation from the list only. If I click retry, then this text will not be accepted in the cell and it will again come in edit mode. Retry, you can see it is not deleted and it has came in edit mode. Then again press enter. Now if I click cancel, then this text will get deleted. So there are two types of error message we seen. In first case, when we click yes, the data is accepted which is not listed in the drop down list. But in this case, we cannot enter any value which is not listed in the drop down list. So now we will make a drop down list in the gender column with all these facilities. So let's see how to create the drop down list. In the gender, first go to data tab and then click on the data validation. So here we have to go to setting tab, and in allow we have to select list, and now in the source we will type male comma female. Okay, and see here we got list male female. If you want to select male, then you can select male, and if you want to select female, you can select female. But we have not selected this range, so there is no drop down list. You can do two things. You can copy this drop down list to each cell. See, Control C, copy and paste it here, and now you can change it from male or female. Or you can drag it to the cell like this way and delete the item, and now you can change male, male, male. And another way you can update this list, select all the item and go to data validation, and the selection contains some cells without data validation setting. Do you want to extend the data validation to this cell? I will press yes to extend the data validation. Yes. Okay. Now you can see all the cell content data validation. In this way, you can add data validation to the other cells. And now if I want another item in the list, suppose we have male and female, we want another option, that is other or transgender, anything. So select the range and go to data validation, and in the source again type comma and type other. If you wish more item, then just press comma and I add item one by one. So in my case I have added other. Okay, now you can see here male, female and other. There are 3 items now. So in the previous case in department, when we click on the cell, we get an information. So how to get this information? So select this range, go to data validation, and click the input message tab. So here there is a checkbox. If we uncheck this, this option will be disabled, and if we check this option, this field are enabled. So in the title I type here information, and in the input message box I will type select an item from the list, full stop. Now click OK. Now you can see if I click here, we got the information. You can move this information message box to any place. So I will keep it here. So in this way we can add information message box when we click any cell. So now we will add another thing, that is data validation error alert. So there are 3 types of error alert. Number 1 is stop, number 2 is warning, and number 3 is information. So stop is most critical. In this case you cannot enter any value which is not listed in the drop down list or not listed in the source. So this is stop. And in the warning, if you have entered any data which is not listed in the data validation or drop down list, then you will be given a message with yes no option. If you click yes, then the data will be accepted, and if you click no, that data will not be accepted. And in information, it is just information. When you enter any data which is not listed in the data validation, then it will give a information message. If you click OK, it will get entered. So first we will start with information. Here just give a title information and type here wrong input, then OK. Now here if I type any value, I am moving this message, and here I will type suppose AB. AB is not listed in the drop down list, and press enter, that we got an information wrong input. If we press OK, you can see this data has been accepted, but it is not in the list. And in the second case, select this range and go to data validation, and now we'll check the second case, warning. Here I am giving title warning. You can give anything, and here I keep this message only, wrong input, then OK. Now see, delete this. If I again type suppose Saha and press enter, we got again warning message, wrong input, continue. If you want to continue with this data, then press yes. If you don't want to continue with this data, then press no. In this case I am pressing no. You can see it is in edit mode. You can edit it and change. We are not changing. We press again enter, and if we click cancel, it will get deleted. Then again I put Saha and press enter, and if I wish to continue with this Saha, then press yes. You can see this data is taken. And the third case, that is data validation stop. In the error alert, we select the style stop. Then if the data is not in the list of drop down, then it will not get accepted. So here in the title, I am giving a wrong input, and in the message select a gender from the list only. Now press OK. So delete this one, and if I again type Saha and press enter, then we got again an error message, wrong input, select a gender from the list only. If we click retry, then it will be in edit mode, and you can edit it and then press enter again, and if we click cancel, then that text will get deleted. So in this way you can create a simple data validation list with the help of this data validation option. I hope you understood this tutorial very well. If you have any question or any queries regarding this tutorial, you can comment me in the comment section. I will surely help you out. And in the next tutorial, I will show you how to create a static drop-down list with the help of name range. So if you like today's tutorial, please hit the like button, and want to get the next tutorial, then do subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.